The lower guard keeps the blade covered when the saw is not in use. The guard can be damaged if the saw is dropped or if something falls on it. It may also crack or break after years of normal job site use. Replacing the lower guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade bolt. With the blade bolt removed, next I'll remove the outer clamp. Now I can remove the blade along with the inner blade flange. Now remove the rubber bumper. With the bumper removed, I can go ahead and remove the retaining ring. And now the guard. On the back side of the guard, I'll remove the spring. Now I can begin installing the new guard. First, I'll transfer the guard lever from the old guard to the new. Now I can reinstall the guard. I'll align the leg on the tension spring with the opening in the housing. And I'll slide the guard over the blade shaft. I'll make sure the guard is seated down firmly against the saw so I can reinstall the retaining ring. And now I'll reinstall the bumper. Next, I'll reinstall the inner flange. I'll reinstall the blade. And now I'll reinstall the outer flange. And I'll secure everything with the bolt. And that's all it takes to replace the lower guard on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.